Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's try fixing Wi-Fi problems on your Xiaomi 15T. So, if you're having problems with Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi 15T, such as frequent disconnections, inability to connect to some kind of network, slow speeds, or whatever any other problem that you have, you should follow the next steps, and I'm sure that you can resolve your issue. So first of all, let's start from the basics. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to enter Quick Settings panel, and of course you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on and that you are connected to network. And if it's on, then you have to toggle your Wi-Fi on and off. So you have to tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, and then wait a few seconds and tap it once again to turn it back on. Also, you should toggle airplane mode, which is right here. So tap on it, then wait about 30 seconds and then turn it off. This quickly resets all wireless connections, and this as well may help you. Now let's forget and reconnect to some kind of network. To do that, you need to go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and find the network connection that you're having problems with, and you have to tap the arrow icon next to it. Scroll to the very down and press forget network button and confirm it by tapping OK button. Now from this list you want to find that network and re-enter password for it and try reconnecting, and now you have to check your Wi-Fi connection, how it's now working. Also, you should restart your phone and restart your Wi-Fi router. So unplug your Wi-Fi router from its power source, then wait 10 seconds and plug it back in, and then of course wait a little bit for it to fully boot up and check if your network Wi-Fi network is now working. So those were the basic steps, but if that didn't work, if that didn't help, you have to reset network settings. So go to settings and you want to find more connectivity options, and now scroll down to section reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Press this button at the bottom side of the screen, reset settings, and you want to confirm it by tapping OK button, and this step will restore all Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth settings to their factory defaults. And after that you will need to re-enter all of your Wi-Fi passwords and also repair Bluetooth devices. And also you can try disabling private DNS. So go back and here find option private DNS, and you want to make sure that it's set to off or automatic. Basically, custom private DNS can interfere sometimes with network connections. So make sure that it's off or set to automatic. So I really hope that those steps help you, and I'm sure that after completing all of those steps, your Wi-Fi network now should work. So let me know in the comments if that helped you. So thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.